If you're completely new to programming, or coming from another programming language, or even if you're just looking to brush up your existing Python skills, then this is a course for you. Hi, I'm Michael, and I'll be your instructor on this course. I have a Master's in Financial Mathematics. I've taught over 10,000 students worldwide with my free Python course. I have 3 years experience in Python, and I'm a total nerd. So what are you going to be learning in this course? Well, you'll learn what variables and strings are, how to work with lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. You'll master control flow and loops. You'll understand what list, set, and dictionary comprehension is. You'll work with functions and the elusive decorators. You'll handle errors with try, except, and finally clauses. You'll work with text files, pickle files, and the OS module. You'll convert generators into generated expressions and work with functional programming. You'll master object-oriented programming, which is essential for any programmer. You'll work with arrays and matrices with the NumPy module, which is essential for any aspiring data scientist. And you're going to be manipulating data frames with the pandas module. And you're going to visualize data with matplotlib, where you can have anything from a line plot to a 3D scatter plot. Then you're going to be having exercises and solutions to push yourself intellectually. There's going to be fun and practical mini projects, and I'm going to be adding more lectures, sections, and projects along the way. I'm always happy to answer any questions, and if you're not satisfied, there's always a 30-day money-back guarantee. By the end of the course, I'm confident that you'll have professional Python skills, be able to solve complex programming problems, and create your own cool Python programs. So what are you waiting for? Join today and I'll see you inside.